Now with RentReady Marketplace, you have access to a move out inspection and a damage recovery report. So, how the inspection works is it is a structured room by room walkthrough of the entire unit where you'll be able to record damage and assign it to the appropriate area. You'll add a photo and it'll be visual evidence for recovery. And then you will also select the add ons for each rooms and they will auto filter into the correct services. So, here I have a move out on April 2nd. I have up until April 7th, the first rent ready service, to complete this move out inspection. Once April 7th happens, this move out inspection will no longer be able to be filled out. It will time out. So, what you'll do is you'll click into that move out inspection and then you will select start inspection. It immediately starts right when you walk into the unit. So in the entryway, as you see, everything is toggled to no damage. And if you notice damage in a specific area, that's when you'll toggle it on. So if I have damage on the walls in the entryway, I will toggle damage on. And let's just say there are scuff marks on the wall by door. And then I will select a photo. And then add-ons, it'll have suggested add-ons. And if it's not a suggested add-on, just go ahead and type in what you need. But for this one, I think primer coat will suffice. And then if there's no other damage, I'll go to next room. If there's damage in the living room, again, I'll toggle it on. So it looks like I have some damage on the ceiling in my living area. And it's a texture repair. Again, I'll select my photo so the pro will be able to know. And then the ceiling one is not one I want. So I will put texture repair. Boom, select that, save the issue. And then I'll go into the next room. If I have no damage in the kitchen, just select next room. For my bedroom 1, again, record any damage if necessary, as well as your bathroom. Now, if I'm just in a 1x1, the bedroom 2 is not applicable. So just go down here on the left-hand side and click NA. Same with the bathroom. And then if you do not have a patio in this unit, you will also select NA for that. And now once I select complete, I have now saved my move out inspection. All of the damages have been recorded and those add-ons have gone to the respective services that they need to go to. I will then get emailed a consolidated document that has all of the damages in one report. And then as the damages are completed, I will get a damage recovery report per service, and it'll have photos of completed work plus the final cost of all work rendered. So I'm able to use that to recoup funds from the previous resident if necessary.